one of the three waterfalls that surrounded the city of Wayne Sound. Inglis Falls is the best known and most visited one. Situated in the heart of Inglis Falls Conservation Area, Inglis Falls is an 18-meter high cascade created by Sydenham River meeting the edge of Niagara Escarpment. This conservation area has two parking options, a paid parking lot at the top of the falls and the free parking area at the Arboretum and Visitation Center. Parking at the Arboretum is free. Paid parking is small but right at the falls. Payment is by debit or credit, not cash. One washroom is opposite to the small bridge when heading out from the paid parking lot. From the Arboretum, 1.8 km Bruce Trail that will reach to the falls. You can also continue along the Bruce Trails to make it a longer hike if you wish. Generally considered a moderately challenging route, it takes an average of 1 hour 30 minutes to complete. There are smaller versions of the main map along the way. Trees are labeled throughout the trail for information purposes. Some areas that are quite rocky with lots of tree roots that can get slippery after the rain. This is a very popular hiking, so you will likely encounter other people while exploring. Good luck for your hike.